For the primary level teachers, the first resource that we came up with um, to help teachers with teaching reading comprehension is Nearpod. Nearpod is an excellent resource for students that as it includes a variety of lessons for students to master the concept of reading comprehension. The lessons are easy to navigate, engaging, and interesting. Ever since COVID has hit um, our world and our country, our school district has actually chosen to use Nearpod as our avenue for getting our lessons to our students. So, as a teacher, that is not only creating the lessons, but constantly seeing how our kids are engaged with them and seeing how that is played out. I've seen the benefits of this resource firsthand, and I am very impressed. I think that it is something that I will continue to use even when we go back to our normal way of teaching, just because I think it's a great tool for students. It's a great intervention tool. Um, there are great lessons on there for reading comprehension. And if you wanted to create them yourself as a teacher and then use them later on, or maybe if you had a sub that day, you could do it as a whole group. It's just a great resource for students to use to get better with their reading comprehension.